Assalamu alaikum learners. I'm going to show you how to find the general term using this example here. Remember that we can only find the general term when we are dealing with patterns that have a constant difference, not a constant ratio. So you either add or subtract a constant value to get to the next term. In this case, we are adding a value to get to the next term, which is positive 3. So 1 plus 3 is going to give us 4. 4 plus 3 is going to give us 7. 7 plus 3 is going to give us 10. And 10 plus 3 is going to give us 13. So we have a constant difference. Okay, the same number is being repeated. Okay, that is what a constant difference is. Right here we have a positive constant difference, but we can also have a negative constant difference if we are minusing to get to the next term. I'll do an example of that with you just now. Okay, so this is basically what we need to find our general term. Okay, also take note of the variables that we have. So we know that our formula we use is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1d, where a is our first term. In this example, our first term is 1. So a equals 1. Right, n is our term number. That is left unknown, and d is our difference, our constant difference, which in this case is positive 3. So d equals to positive 3. Now we are just going to substitute these values into our formula to find our general term. Okay, so this is how we do it. We say Tn equals to a is 1 plus n minus 1, and our difference is 3. So we are just going to put it in brackets because we are multiplying the 3 into the brackets. So we solve as normal. 1 plus, we are going to multiply the 3 into these brackets. We are going to use our distributive law, 3 times n and 3 times negative 1. So 3 times n is 3n, 3 times negative 1 is minus 3. We are going to put our like terms together. 1 minus, let's just write 3n as it is. It's positive 3n, so it will be 3n. And minus 3 plus 1, or 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And this is our general term. So if we want to find out what is term 50, term 100, term 100, we will use this term. And wherever we see n, we substitute the term number. Don't forget that this is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. Let's check if our formula works. We are going to work out maybe term 4. Let's work out term 4, and we must come to the answer 10 because term 4 is 10. So we're just testing to see if it works. So we're going to write out our general formula as it is, which is Tn equals to 3n minus 2. And wherever we see n, we are going to put 4 because we want to work out term 4. So we are going to say T4 equals to 3 times 4. We are substituting wherever we see n, we are putting 4 minus 2, which equals to 3 times 4 is 12 minus 2, which equals to 10. And is term 4 10? Yes, it is. Therefore, our general formula is correct. If we want to work out term 50, right, we would say Tn equals to 3n minus 2. T50 equals to 3 times 50 minus 2. Okay, 3 times 50 is 150 minus 2, which equals to 148. So we know that in this pattern, term 50, the 50th term is going to equal to 148. Now, if they say, work out which term equals 298, then this is how we are going to do it. They want to know which term number is going to equal to 298. So it's going to be Tn equals to 3n minus 2. they are asking us to work out the term number, and they gave us the term. So they're asking which one equals to 298. We are going to substitute this 298 in place of the Tn. 298 equals to 3n minus 2. Okay, now in this case we are just solving for n. So 298, we're going to put our like terms together. We are going to take this negative 2 over to the side to solve for our n. When we take it over, it's going to become plus 2 equals to 3n. 298 plus 2 is 300 equals to 3n. Right, because we want to get rid of the 3, we are going to divide it by 3 on both sides. These 3's cancel out, and 300 divided by 3 is going to give us 100, which equals to n. So the 100th term will be 298. Okay, I hope you guys understand. If you still don't understand, send me a message and I'll help you as soon as I can. Assalamu alaikum.